You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? American actress name pronunciation if you want to learn more. Celebrity names, including from cinema, movies. Make sure to stay tuned. Yes, her first name has a bit of a different spelling, but the American English pronunciation is as Betty. It would be Betty in British English, but in the US they usually say it as Betty. Bette Davis. Bette Davis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.